Arya says, Dear Ananta, it is still a knowledge, although confirmed, but not permanent. Mind still forgets it at times and find myself engaged in the world like before. Still requires effort to maintain it. Yes. Because the mistake that you are making is you are trying to change the mind. You're trying to really change your mind. But the mind will always only continue this way. So when we do some strong practices and sadhana, the mind might become peaceful. It might even pretend to be saying the right things for a while. But that is the effortful way. And then the effort is constantly required. If you withdraw your belief from the mind, and ultimately your attention also is withdrawn, then you will find that no matter what the mind is saying, you are unconcerned. That is freedom. So it is not freedom for the mind, but freedom from the mind. And like I say, it is not freedom for the person, it is freedom from the person. Not freedom for the person, but freedom from the person. Because the person is just an idea. And the mind is always referring to you as this person idea. And everything that we buy from the mind only therefore perpetuates this person idea. So don't try to reform the mind, you stay as the self. Don't imagine yourself to be the content of your life or the content of your mind. Yeah, so that is what it means when I say stay as the self. It does not mean that you can actually become anything else. Because that self would not be true if it was possible for you to become a non-self. So we are all speaking about an imaginary problem with an imaginary solution, ultimately. So don't worry about what the mind remembers or says. You are the witnessing of this mind. You cannot be anything but that.